Yo guys, TechnoSmart here, and this is what's on my Android early 2018. So 2017 was a great year for smartphones. There were lots and lots of flagship smartphones in 2017. So here I have my good old Samsung Galaxy Note 5, and I love this phone. So there are a few reasons why I love this. It has a great camera. I have recorded all of my previous videos using this camera. It is a beast. It has this S Pen which is pretty handy sometimes, and on the front it has a beautiful 5.7-inch display which looks amazing. You just have to sacrifice the battery life because it is worse. The battery life is not good on this phone. And also I have made a video on what's on my Android in 2017. So here is a card to the top left corner or to the top right corner. Go ahead and watch that video. So right now there is no case, nothing on my phone. It is naked because I love using this phone naked. This color also looks really dope. It has a really awesome design, and I've seen people just staring at my phone because it's of rose gold color. It is not available here in India. So yeah, it's a really great color and a great design. Thumbs up to Samsung for that. I have some cases for my phone. I have many cases, but I'm not using any of them. But I have laminated my phone with this plastic. As you can see here, it is coming off already. It protects my back from having some scratches. So on the front of the screen, as you can see here, always on display, which is not available on the Samsung Galaxy Note 5, but it is on my phone. So don't get panic. I have installed a custom ROM on my phone, which is the Kongloi Nougat V5. So yeah, I have of course set up my fingerprint, and the fingerprint works pretty well on this phone. I have no issues with that. So here is my home screen. Nothing at all. It's just a default home screen which is available on the Galaxy S8. As you can see here, we have the Google widget and the temperature on the top, and I have just edited this dock as I want to. Like, these are all of my daily usage apps. Not all of them, but there are some other apps that I use daily. So yeah, just swiping up, here I have my app drawer. So I'm going to show you the apps that I use. Starting up from the top, we have the ADSENSE. You guys must probably know if you are a YouTuber, that is to check your revenue. And beside that, we have the AliExpress. So that's like online shopping like Amazon and Flipkart. Beside that, we have the Amazon app, and this is the BITMOJI app for Snapchat. And this right here, Cinema FFI, is the best app to record videos for a YouTuber or anyone. It has all of the manual controls right here. As you can see, I have my manual focus as well, which is pretty cool. As you can see, I can manually focus. It is not available on many of the devices. So yeah, that's there. And we have the currency app, and this app right here, DU Recorder. I have made a video on that, so the card is right here. Go ahead and check that video. And we have Facebook, we have Flipkart, we have Instagram. Go ahead and follow me there at TechnoSmart7. And here is InstaSave to save Instagram pictures. We have the default Google Maps, the MP3 converter, and here we have PixArt to edit my pictures. And I also use this app called Snapseed, which is amazing. That app is really awesome. And this is the app right here, Play Memories, which I use for my Sony camera. The video which is being recorded right now is from that camera. So if I want to transfer pictures on my phone, I can do that using this app. Swiping right, we have the Snapchat right here. And yeah, this is a really cool app for editing pictures. I really recommend this app. We have SoundCloud. We have Titanium Backup to back up our apps, and yeah, the video is right now uploading. It has already been uploaded after I upload this video, so go ahead and check that video. I'll put the card right here. So that video is about how to back up and restore apps with data. So that is done with this app, which is really simple. Go ahead and check that video. Here we have TubeMate if I want to download videos. Here I have Twitter, so go ahead and follow me there as well at TechnoSmart7. We have Uber, we have voice recorder to record my voice. This app right here, Wallpaper Craft. This app is amazing. It has some really cool wallpapers. I really recommend you guys to go ahead and check this app out. Here I have WhatsApp, Xender to transfer apps, images, files, whatever you want to. That is also a really great app. Here I have YouTube, and this is the YouTube Studio. So this app is really handy. It is amazing. If you are a YouTuber, if you have a YouTube channel, you should probably keep that app. If you want to check your views, who is watching your videos, your revenue and everything, it shows everything in that app, which is really cool. And I think yeah, that's all in my phone. That about wraps up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. The link will be in the description down below, and all the apps I mentioned in this video are in the description down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. This is TechnoSmart signing off. Have a great day, guys.